injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for southwestern North Dakota. The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dunn County in southwestern North Dakota, northwestern Morton County in south-central North Dakota, northeastern Stark County in southwestern North Dakota, southwestern Mercer County in south-central North Dakota, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Marshall to 5 miles north of Taylor to 4 miles southwest of Richardson, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for northeast Stark, southeast Dunn, southwest Morton, and southwest Mercer counties. Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 6:48 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, an 89 miles per hour gust was reported at the Dickinson Airport. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Glen Olin, Hebron, Richardson, Zapp, Golden Valley, Taylor, Dodge, Marshall, and Hirschville. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for southwest. Here is the forecast for the Bismarck-Minden and listening area. Severe thunderstorm watch 478 in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows in the upper 50s.